Okay, so we continue with our capture the flag challenges. So we are still using sokonalysis, which is the Cipher toolkit built for skill levels. So you can install this particular tool in Windows using these particular commands, and you can also do the same in Linux using the given provided commands. So now if you run this particular tool for the first time, it will prompt you to enter this to accept these agreement terms. So if you do accept, then you'll be allowed to use the tool. So this tool is for educational and ethical use only. Do not use this software for any malicious and authorized legal purposes. So this is the tool menu. So this particular tool has 3 levels. So under the university level, it helps out students to solve basic cryptographic algorithms such as hsah in their exams, tests, or any given assignments. And then the second level is called the capture the flag level, CTF level, where we are going to utilize this particular tool to solve a particular CTF challenge minus us requiring a lot of resources. So the last level is called the advanced level, for which we are yet to implement for organizations and enterprises. So these are the current supported algorithms. So without wasting much of our time, we jump in for today's challenge. So it's called hsah, more like they've just reversed the hash. So you need to read out this as hash, but it's in reverse, something like that. So it was created 7 years ago with 100 points, meaning medium. So 379 times was solved by people. The 11 times failed. So the challenge description says hash the trash. Okay, so we know we are dealing with a hash. Okay, so as usual, start off with clicking on that link. We download the required files. So it's saved in this folder in my case, which is CTF, then crypto. So let's just extract or unzip this particular thing. So if we follow this folder, we have another folder called challenge. So we have this encrypt.py if you want to understand how they encrypted this particular thing. So they are using two variables A and B to randomly generate more like a length from 1 to 16, which was now adding something from 0 to 31 until they encode that particular thing in hexadecimal, okay, to get that flag. Now we are not interested in programming here. We just want to know, okay, this is the hash which you have been given, so that's our interest. Okay, so I'll just say open terminal here, then I'll say cut output, which is the name, then let me just say cut. Today we are not gripping anything. So you can see this is the hash we are given. So one funny thing about this particular challenge is that for example, if you try online sources, for example even the same sokonalysis, you realize that we have an option which is called hashing. So there are different types of hashing. MD5, we have SHA, which is secure hashing algorithm, SHA1, SHA256, whatsoever. So if you, the first step in CTF is that we identify the hash we are given. For example, it can be MD5, then we use the word list to get our flag. Okay, now in this case that's not the case. That hash you are seeing, which is looking like this, actually we are using something which is randomly generating this thing. So there's something which will be repeating, and we need to convert it into letters, okay, for us to get the flag. So without wasting time here, we'll just go and capture the flag. Then option number 13, which is hash, I'm going to say 13, then hash reversal non pattern attack. So I've just decided to use this because if this non pattern attack enables us, if you have this particular string, it can start checking, as you can see, pre-counting all streamed whatsoever. So it will be more like counting each and everything. So it has found whatsoever after being converted until it prints out our flag like this: flag find the hash in the trash. So you cannot do this with the normal hashing algorithm because it wasn't implemented like that. So for the sake of improving. By the way, I tried this multiple times, and one day I decided to implement this particular thing for similar challenges. So you can see I was almost there, but until I got the actual flag. Yeah, so that logic there, it's working in a case in the future there's a similar challenge like this. So that's the good part about this particular tool. We are solving things which are actually CTF, more like vibes. So yeah, with time it will be now advanced. Alright, so this is Soko James representing KMI Cybersecurity Tutorials and the developer for the tool, which is called sokonalysis. So see you in the next video. Hope you've enjoyed and hoping that you soon start using my tool.